How to enable or disable track locking in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, to enable track locking, open your project and go to the timeline where your clips are placed. Look at the left side of the timeline where the track headers are located. You will see a small padlock icon next to each track which is labeled as Lock Track. Simply click on this to lock that specific track. Once locked, you won't be able to move, trim, or edit clips on that track until you unlock it again. Next, if you want to disable or unlock the track, just click on the same padlock icon again. This will allow you to freely make changes to the clips on that track. Track locking is especially helpful when working on complex projects with many layers, so you don't accidentally modify clips that are already finalized. Remember, track locking affects only the track you choose, so other tracks remain editable. This keeps your workflow smooth and prevents unintentional edits or important tracks. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable track locking in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.